Love, are you an Anbari Bisaya?
Huh?
Are you an I have the best husband in the whole wide world. Because he always do what I want to do. I want him to do.
Because I have the most annoying wife in the world. And she
Hi everyone, welcome to Zayda's Mama and Dad's YouTube channel. So today is the 29th of April and currently it's 21 degrees Celsius. Kaya magandang mag-walking. So mamaya si Love ay babalik na sa kanyang work. Kaya LDR ulit kami ng how many days? How many days are we going to be in a long distance relationship again?
5.
Parang 4 to 5 days. Depende. So ngayon nag-walking lang kami kasi dito sa town kung saan kami nakatira. And dun sa house ng aking mga in-laws, maraming trail. What do you call this? Is it a trail?
It is a trail.
Yes, maraming mga trail na pwede ka maglakad-lakad. So yun, mag-walking lang kami. Sandali. Tapos noon, uuwi na rin kami sa bahay kasi kailangan magpahinga ni Love para sa kanyang work mamayang gabi. So, yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung dito, place dito. Samahan nyo kami today. So, yan si Love and si Zayda. Dahil sobrang Love, you should have used the bag. Hindi kami naka-bundle up kasi nga maganda ang weather, 21 degrees Celsius. Tapos maaraw pa siya. So ito yung trail. Malapit siya sa Love, what state forest is over there? Natchog State Forest. So dito sa town kung saan kami nakatira sa Connecticut, maraming mga state forest and marami ring mga trekking area. So kung mahilig ka sa nature, ayun, pag free time mo, ganun yung pwede mong gawin. Kasi dahil nga nasa countryside, walang masyadong mga ibang pwedeng paglibangan dito, kundi kailangan mong i-maximize kung anong meron, which is nature. So kung mahilig ka sa nature, ayun, napakagandang tumira dito. Tsaka maganda dito kasi tahimik siya and hindi overpopulated. So meron mga wildflowers dito. Sabi ni Love para daw siyang weed. Ayan. Ganda. Babalik din kami agad kasi walang carrier si Zayda and medyo mabigat na siya. Mahirap siyang buhatin. Sabi ko kay Love, palitan kami pagbuhat kay Zayda. Ayaw naman niya. Bigat na kasi ni Zayda. So ito ang road. What road is this, Love?
This is the Natchog State Forest Road.
Oh, so this is the Natchog State Forest Road. So may mga sasakyan dito na dumadaan. Hindi ko alam kung saan papunta to. Love, what can we see out there?
Oh, I'm going to show you the blue trail.
Blue trail?
Yeah. But we're not going to go up it or down it. I'm just going to show you where it goes up and where it goes down. And then we're going to go back.
So, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung ano ba yung sinasabi niya. Hindi ko alam kasi first time ko mag-walking dito. Madalas lang kami nagbo-walking doon sa isang side, sa may kabilang side.
This is the blue trail going up, and that's the blue trail going down. Over there it goes to the river and off into the forest. And up here it goes up to the Lost Silver Mine horse camp and into the forest. Either way it goes into the forest. But I don't know. You'll see it some other day. Not today though. This would make a nice little bonsai tree if I was gonna dig it up, but I'm not gonna dig it up. There's a bug crawling in my butt crack or sweat.
You're what? So yun, sandali nga lang kaming nag-walking dito. In-explore lang. In-explore ko lang. Pinilit ko lang siyang mag-walking. Ayaw niya talaga. Love doesn't really wanna go walking. But
you don't want to go walking where I want to go walking. I want to go walk down that brook.
Let's go.
You're not going to like it.
I will like it.
You're not going to like it.
But then, I got angry. That's why. He agreed to walk because he is very tired. Why are you very tired?
Because I woke up early and that's it.
Love, are you an under Bisaya?
Huh?
Are you an under Bisaya? No, you know what under Bisaya is?
No.
You know it. Remember you asked me about it. You said, what is under Bisaya?
I don't know.
Those men who are... It's like who always follow what their wife wants to do.
Oh, under the skirt?
Yes.
Am I under the skirt?
Are you?
Only for stupid things. If it's not important, yes. But if it's important, then no.
I have the best husband in the whole wide world. Because he always do what I want to do. I want him to do.
Because I have the most annoying wife in the world. And she will bother me forever.
It's not your love.
She forced me to do it. She used coercion.
I'm not using coercion. I'm just not talking if I get annoyed. No, love, because you said yesterday that we're going to go on a walk.
I'm tired.
It was supposed to be yesterday.
I know I was gonna be tired. I could have gone and done my errand, and then we'd have lots of time for a walk. But I gotta wait for you before I can do my errand. And then I'm tired just waiting for you. I have lots of energy while you're not, you know, you're getting up out of bed and getting ready and with the baby, and I'm just sitting there doing nothing.
Love, you have to understand because I'm a mother. I'm not just.
Whatever.
I am not just.
By the time you're ready to
fixing myself.
I'm ready.
I have to take care of Zayra before I take a shower.
I want to go to bed by the time you're ready to go.
Nagre-reklamo siya, ang tagal ko doon kasi kumilos. That I move very slow. And I take a shower a long time. And I have to prepare a long time. Di naman matagal. Diba normal lang yun sa mga girls? Love, that's normal for women. You should have married a man if you want. If you want him to be
this is where we're going
to walk. So dito daw kami dadaan. Is this a trail? I don't think this is a trail, love.
No.
Huh?
No.
Is it? Is it not?
It's not.
It's not. Then why are we going to go this way?
There's one little trail.
Love, I cannot go down there. It's scary. Ano ba yan? Wait. Madulas. Love! Wait for me. Hindi ko alam kung bakit na dito gusto dumaan. Papahirapan niya yata ako. So, ayan, merong stream. Diretso yan dun sa Natchog River. Oh my God. Yung mga mahilig tawag dito, mag-hiking, mag-trekking. magugustuhan nyo dito. Hindi kasi ako mahilig hiking. Pero mukhang magiging hobby ko na siya dahil nga dito kami nakatira. And maganda naman siya. Maganda siya for your soul, for your spirit, for your mind, for your body, and everything. May mga moss. And love, isn't it slippery if you're going to step on the moss?
I want to find a place to put a bamboo grove. And the bamboo I want to plant is kind of aquatic bamboo. It grows in water. And so down in there, all down in there is my plan for where I'm going to put bamboo, I'm thinking. It has to be between that road, between that road and the trail we came in on, down in this watery area here. I think I'm gonna plant bamboo. I just gotta see what my mother thinks. And she'll say, yeah, that's a good idea. And then I'll go, well, we're gonna do it.
Is this still part of your parents' property?
No, it's state property. Actually, I have no idea whose property it is, but I kind of don't want to know. So we'll just pretend it's like, maybe it's my parents, maybe it's the neighbors, maybe it's the government. We'll just say it's nobody's property.
Why don't you know, love? Don't you have like...
Well, here's a stone wall. I think if it's on this side of the stone wall, it's probably the neighbors, maybe.
Who's the neighbor?
I don't know. They bought that property and never did anything with it. They're just property owners. Actually,
so yan, babalik kami. Hindi ko alam. Ano lang pala, nag-check lang pala siya dito kung saan niya pwedeng aray ko. Bayan, Diyos ko. Pwedeng itanim yung yung mga bamboos niya. Orange. Ay! Iniwan na nila ako. Meron ding trail malapit sa aming apartment, yung Joshua's Trust. Kaya lang sabi nila, dito na lang kami mag-walking. Supposedly dapat doon. Kaya lang since andito na kami, dito na lang. Maganda dito yung mga dahon-dahon na ito pag na siguro, pag fall. Wait lang. Ayan, may sasakyan. What are they doing over there?
Huh?
What are they doing over there?
The truck?
Yeah.
That guy works here.
Works here?
Yeah, he's the Department of Environmental Protection. He's the guy who's gonna get really angry when I plant bamboo somewhere out here.
Really? So there are people working here in the state forest, love.
That guy, you know.
So ayan pa.
Play a game.
What?
It's called You Keep Up With Your Husband.
Whatever. Ang bilis kasi nila maglakad. Siyempre nag-film ako. Kaya medyo mabagal. Mabagal talaga ako lumakad. Zira! Ayan, pabalik na kami. Mga ilang minutes na walking lang. Dahil nga, tinitake advantage namin ang magandang weather. Bihira lang to. Pero since, love, when is summer going to start?
June 20th.
June? So, medyo matagal pa pala bago mag-summer. Love, do you want me to carry Zira? Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog outside na naka-t-shirt. walang jacket or cardigans. Sana yung weather laging ganito. Ano, tamang-tama lang. Very accurate. Accurate for walking or trekking. Wala ng araw. Makulimlim siya. Pero sabi naman sa weather forecast, di siya ulan. Tsaka okay pa rin naman yung temperature. May mga fly. Mga insekto. Siguro yung mga lang. 15 to 20 minute walk. Pwede na yan. Tapos siguro next week, baka ulit kami, trekking or walking. Doon naman sa may Joshua's Crest. Kung may time. Ayan, malapit na kami doon sa property ng aking mga in-laws. Yan o, yun siya. Yan. Kanina may squirrel, hindi ko lang siya na-film. Pero di ba sa Philippines may squirrel din naman. Nakakita ko ng squirrel, nag-work ako dati sa BGC. Maliliit na mga squirrel. Yung squirrel kasi na nakita ko dito, malaki siya. Tapos may din. Woodpecker. Are there bear here? Black bear.
I mean, like once every 10 years maybe. We've never had one here. The neighbor had one.
They had one?
Yeah.
Medyo scary din pala.
It's extremely unusual actually.
So ayan, paano na kami. Tapos na kaming mag-walking. Babalik na ulit kami sa apartment para makapagpahinga na si Love dahil nga babalik na siya mamaya sa work mamayang gabi. So kami na naman ulit ni Zayda sa bahay for 4 to 5 days. So ayan lang for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for supporting Zayda's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.